How to subtract percentage on Excel. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will be guiding you simply in order to do so without any delay. Let's just get started. Right now on my screen, you can see I have some values, some money values, and including that I have some percentage. So if I would like to decrease this percentage, you can follow up the same steps I will be showing on my screen. So what you need to do is you need to just go ahead and type in is equal to, because each of this data has each formula. So select up data first, B2, and you can go ahead and minus and select B2 again. After that, you just need to go ahead and multiply and select this 10% and this second value, and it will give you the value that you're looking for by subtracting the value. If not, after this is done, you can just go ahead and follow the same process for other wall. You can select it, drag and drop it down, and there you will be finding all of the values. And there you go. This is the method you can apply if you would like to subtract your values in your Excel as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.